Hey folks, Mansoor Suhail from My Learning Center. Today's checklist is all about Warriorplus product setup. Here is an example of what this checklist will include. Setup offer and product setup. Go to vendor, then to offers and create news. Enter title, descriptions, category, keywords, and leave public off for now. In the next step, put the launch date in start time. Add a front end page and create new offer. Moving on, enter product name, enter delivery URL, enter refund policy and refund period, enter content type and enter keywords. Enter support mail, and so on. To grab your full-length 3-page checklist, click on the link given and download it right now. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon. It really helps me.